Time travel, the ultimate question. Is it theoretically possible to travel through time? You see, for years, scientists and physicists have been exploring this mind-bending concept. At its core, time travel involves moving through time, either forward or backward, to a different point in history. Sounds simply, but as we'll dive into, it's a whole lot more complicated. The idea of traveling to the past, in particular, presents some significant theoretical paradoxes and challenges for physicists. One of the biggest hurdles is the problem of causality. If you go back in time and change something, you risk disrupting the timeline and potentially altering the course of history. But what if you try to change something that has already happened? Wouldn't that create a paradox? For example, imagine going back in time and preventing your own birth. That would mean you were never born. But if you were never born, then who went back in time to prevent your birth? Another challenge is the issue of energy requirements. To travel to the past, you'd need an enormous amount of energy, possibly even more than the energy contained in a star. And then there's the question of how to even navigate through time. Would you need some kind of time-traveling device, or could you somehow manipulate the fabric of space-time to get where you want to go? The concept of time travel also raises questions about the nature of free will and determinism. If the course of history is predetermined, then can we really change the past, or are we just following a predetermined path? These are the kinds of questions that keep physicists up at night, and they're still far from having all the answers. So, what do scientific theories say about time travel? Well, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation occurs when objects move at high speeds or are placed in strong gravitational fields. This causes time to appear to pass more slowly for these objects relative to observers in other frames of reference. For example, imagine two twins. One stays on Earth, while the other travels close to the speed of light in a spaceship. When the traveling twin returns, they'll have aged less than their twin on Earth. The theory of relativity also proposes the existence of wormholes, shortcuts through spacetime that could potentially connect to distant points in space and time. If wormholes exist, they might allow for faster-than-light travel and possibly even time travel. However, the technology to create and stabilize wormholes is far beyond our current capabilities. Quantum mechanics also offers some intriguing insights into time travel. Some theories suggest that particles can move through time as well as space, and that the past and future are not as fixed as we think. In simple terms, imagine space-time as a fabric that can be warped and curved. According to Einstein, gravity is just a curvature of space-time caused by massive objects. If we could somehow manipulate this fabric, we might be able to create closed time-like curves, loops, that allow us to travel back in time. The grandfather paradox is one of the most famous thought experiments in time travel. What if you went back in time and killed your own grandfather before he had children? That would mean you were never born. But if you were never born, then who killed your grandfather? Some theories propose the existence of parallel universes or the multiverse, where every possibility plays out in a separate universe. If that's the case, then time travel might be possible, but only in the sense that you'd be moving to a different universe. The concept of time travel also raises questions about the potential for What if you gave your younger self information you already possess? Where did it originally come from? These are just a few of the many mind-bending questions that arise. So, what's the current scientific consensus on time travel? While the theories are intriguing, it's still largely theoretical and unproven. Scientists continue to explore the possibilities, but for now, time travel remains a topic of speculation and debate. So, what do you think? Is time travel theoretically possible? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more science content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.